Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the most asked interview questions and their answers. But the video is not just about the questions and answers. With that, I'm going to tell you some tips which you can follow while going for the interview. So let's get started with the video. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel which is named as Aishwarya Kulkarni. When you apply for a job and you call for an interview, there are various questions that are asked. So better you are prepared, the more successful your interview would be. Nowadays, you'll get plenty of videos on YouTube about this topic. But the reason behind making this video is, from last 3 years, I'm working as a HR professional in a reputed company. And I take 60 to 70 interviews per month. So while taking those interviews, I observe like many candidates are only focused on the technical rounds. And they don't even care about the HR round or the behavioral questions. So I thought I should make a video on it and I should tell you guys that how to answer the most asked interview questions. First, most important thing is, whenever you're going for the interview, go in formals. Because if you'll go in t-shirt, jeans, sleepers and some bands in your hands, it will really not make a good impression on the interview. So, whenever you're going for the interview, you should be really careful about your appearance. Second most important tip is, you should be confident while going for the interview. So let's consider, interviewer asked you a question and you know the answer, but you are not able to answer that question confidently. So what's the point of that knowledge? An interviewer may think that he is not able to answer my question properly, so how he can work in my company, right? So this is really very important to have confidence in yourself. So the third and the last tip I'm going to tell you in this video is, you should reach at least 20 minutes before the given time at the interview location. Because whenever you are going in the interviewer's cabin, your mind should be stable and prepared for the interview. Now we'll see the most asked interview questions and their answers. Tell me something about yourself. Or they can ask you, give me some brief information about yourself, or walk me through your CV, or run me through your resume. So don't get confused in between these questions because all the questions has the same meaning. So here, interviewer is not really interested in your answer. What he is really looking at is your confidence while giving the answer, your communication skill, your enthusiasm, and how you are presenting yourself. So while taking the interviews, I observed that many candidates say, I love cooking, I love doing party, I love doing gym. No, actually it's a big no from my side, because this is not the way you should answer this question. Instead of, what you can talk about is your education, your biggest achievements, your early experiences, your personal interests, and you can tell them why you're applying for this job. So let's take an example how you can answer this question. Well, I graduated in computer engineering and from past 3 years I'm working as a software programmer specializing in application development with the knowledge of various languages like Java, JavaScript, shell scripting, and last year only I got promoted and I'm quite happy with my current job, but now looking for the good opportunity and some good productive role where I can showcase my skills and ability to grow further, and would really appreciate the opportunity to work with your organization. That's it. This is how simply you can answer this question. Why do you want to work with our company? So here interviewer wants to know that do you really know about the company, or have you researched about the company before coming for the interview? So to answer this question, you really need to do some research before going for the interview. So let's see how you can answer this question. Well, sir, it's a privilege for me to work with your organization. And when I read about this open position, I found that my skills and qualifications are matching your requirement, where I can showcase my technical skills to help in the company's growth. What are your strengths? So here I observe that many people will tell the typical strengths like I'm a hard worker, I'm a self-made person, and I'm a quick learner, and this and that. So if you'll also give the same answer like many others are doing, so what, like, how can you convince the interviewer that you are the best fit for this position? So, while giving this answer, I would suggest you that to customize your strengths according to the job description. So now, let's take the example. So let's consider a company has mentioned that candidates should work under pressure. So for this job requirement, how I can customize my strength is I can take up and complete the multiple tasks under pressure. That's it. This is how simply you can customize your strengths according to the job description. So after asking about your strengths, interviewer is definitely gonna ask about your weaknesses. And here, many candidates will say that I don't have any weakness or I don't know my weakness. But you make sure that you actually do give a weakness. And also make sure that your weakness should not match the requirement mentioned in the job description. Means, in the last example, we have considered that company has mentioned the requirement that candidates should work under pressure. And here, if you'll say that I cannot work under pressure, then so all I want to say is just study the job description before going for the interview. Okay? So now let's see how you can answer this question. My weakness is I take too much on my plate at a time. At the end, it gets difficult for me to get finished. Means I want to do this work, I want to do that work, I want to take all the responsibilities at a time. But at the end, it gets difficult for me to finish it before the deadline. That's it. Why should we hire you? So this is the opportunity where you can tell the interviewer that why you are the best candidate for this position. So here, this is how simply you can answer this question. Well, I read all the job description in detail and I strongly believe that I have all the necessary skills, qualities and attributes required for this job. And if you'll hire me, I'll definitely work hard to fit into this team. And I can start contributing positively into the company's growth. So that brings me to the end of this video, guys, and I hope that all the questions and answers and the tips are helpful for your interview. And if you're watching this video before going for the interview, all the very best. And now I'll take your leave and see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay home.